Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and hope you guys are having a great day. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe and notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So if you're having a problem where your message is not being sent, what this problem basically is if you write a message to a person and it says message sending failed or retry, then the common reason for this problem is if your internet connection is unstable or slow. So make sure to check if your internet connection is at proper speed and is not slow and it's stable. And if it is stable and it's still not working, then the second reason might be because Instagram server is off. So to check if Instagram server is off or not, you can go to your Google Chrome or any browser, and then on the search you can type for is Instagram server off. And after typing is Instagram server off, you can go to the first link over here where it says downdetector.com. Click on it and come to this website and scroll down, and as you guys can see, Instagram is live and working. It is not down, but sometimes Instagram is down due to their maintenance and their update. So just remember that if you're using Instagram on that time, then your message might be failed to be sent. But if Instagram is still on and you're facing this problem, then the last thing you can do is report this problem to Instagram, and then Instagram staff will try to fix it from their point of view. So yeah, that's basically how you fix this problem. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and any questions related to this video we will try to answer you in the comments down below. So yeah, have a nice day everybody. Peace out and bye bye.